So. So it's like 3:30 in the morning.
You know.
Hey guys. Okay, so we were up one night.
No, I can't. I can't do it. I can't do it.
It was this dude.
Gee, gee. Ooh, this is kind of cute.
We wanted to make like people laugh as much as we make each other laugh, and we just wanted to share that with you guys. And
Breathe in your air, I am.
just
I love your face. Like the Chinese people be like, Jen Jen!
so yeah, I actually stopped it. So make sure you guys. Oh my god.